Hi, I'm going to show you how you can automate your presentations by linking any shape in PowerPoint to any cell in Excel. So first, we're going to go ahead and create a new Excel spreadsheet. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a couple values here. So for project budget, we're going to add the value of 4.5 million. And I'm just going to format this in dollars, and I'm going to get rid of the 2 decimal places. And for project completion, let's go ahead and add the value of 89%. And then we'll notice this data table here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab this data table, click Control C to copy this data over. And I'm just going to click Control V to paste this data down here. Okay, great. So once that's done, let's go ahead and save this Excel spreadsheet. Let's do File, Save As, and I'm going to save this to my desktop. And I'm just going to call this Book 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and close this Excel spreadsheet. Now we're ready to automate. So we're going to click on the Automate button. We're going to select Excel Shape Link and click Open. And then you'll notice this dialog appear, and under this category, Link a Shape, we're going to click this Create a Link button. So once that is done, we're going to select this shape in PowerPoint that we want to link. This is the text box with the value. And we're going to click this Link Selected Shape button. And now it's asking us to go ahead and find that Excel spreadsheet we just saved. So we're going to click on the Browse button, and under Desktop, Book 1, we're going to select that file. And it's going to open up that spreadsheet, and it's going to give us a cell picker. So in this case, we're going to click this cell where we put the $4.5 million. We're going to click this button, and we're going to click the Next button. So it should link up this shape, this text box, to that cell in Excel. And there it's done that, and it's updated. So let's do the same again. We're going to go and click this Create a Link button. This time we're going to select this infographic. This is one of the progress bars from Engage right on this slide. And then we're going to click Link Selected Shape, Open. And it's very important that you have the Excel spreadsheet closed because it's the system that has to open it for you. So in this example, we're going to go ahead and click this cell with the % completion. We're going to click this button, and it should link up this infographic, there it goes, to that cell. And now we're going to click this Create a Link button again, but this time we're going to select this data table, and then we're going to click Link Selected Shape. We're going to click Open, and over here, let's select the range of cells that represents this data table. It's the same idea if you're linking a chart. So when you're doing that, it's very important that the data tables and the charts especially be created in PowerPoint. By that I mean you would go and click Insert, you would go to Chart, and you would actually go ahead and insert an Excel chart this way versus copy pasting from another source. Okay, so once that's done, you're all linked up. Now you can test the connections and you can update it whenever your data in Excel changes. So go back to the Engage tab, click on Automate, Excel Shape Link, and then you'll notice our source file here. Next to Reload Values, there's a little drop down. This is a shortcut that lets you open that Excel source. So let's go ahead and open that source. And if we change the value here to from 200,000 to 300,000 and from 1.2 million to 1.3 million, you'll notice if we save this and we go back here and we reload values, so I'm going to move this a bit out of the way, you'll notice that the values in the data table, there we go, have just been updated. This is now 300,000 and now this is 1.3 million. So this is how you automate your presentations using Engage. Thank you.